Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode we are going to go ahead and do an oil change on Rippa. It's going to be a short and quick one. I'm going to show you where the oil filter is located and then where the drain plug is, and the best way to do it in my opinion. So we're at the back of Rippa and we're going to roll underneath it. Down on the back side where you have the engine, there is a cutout in the bottom plate for the oil drain plug. So let's take a look. And that's the oil drain plug right here. So you can actually slide a funnel right in here and then pop the drain plug the rest of the way, and all the oil will drain right into the oil drain plug. Which then, if you have a hose on the funnel, you can take and put it right into a drain pan. Or you can just let it go, but then you want to move the cab where it's offset so it's not going to hit the tow bar. Inside the back, you have the oil filter right here. If you haven't seen my previous video, the dipstick is over here. It is not normally yellow. It's usually tucked all the way back, so it's kind of hard to see, and it's the same color as the block. So I painted it yellow so it's easy to detect. Alright, so I switched to this rubber plastic one just because of the proximity to the alternator and the cable right here. I didn't want to arc anything out. This is supposedly a Kubota filter, but it's been painted. And wow, that seal is messed up. But I do have this Wix filter, 51344. And it's supposed to be the same, appears to be the same, threads look the same, so I think this is going to be our ticket right here. Let me get some oil and we'll pre-fill a little bit of this. We're only doing about halfway because this sits on the side. So if we did it all the way, it would just overfill and spill out on us. All right, so 51-344 Wix filter is a go. All we got to do now is fill the oil back up. The oil fill is right up here, so we'll clean it off first and then open it up. Well, I'll tell you, you're not going to be filling this with a 5-gallon jug, so I'm going to transfer into a smaller bottle and then put it in there. It's always hard to see on clean oil, but we are just below the full mark. So when we get the rest of it flowing through the filter, it should take and even out. And then it'll be just probably about 3/4. We're gonna go ahead and start it, make sure everything's good, and then we'll move on to the next project. I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for a bit. It is good. We're gonna take and then move on to removing the counterweight, removing all the shrouding, address the fuel tank sensor, address the air compressor, and then anything else in the undercarriage that we see that is not tucked up right or anything along those lines, we're gonna take and address it when we pull all the shrouding off. So thank you guys for watching, and then we'll pick this up in a little bit. I'm gonna get the tent out here and then keep on working on this.